Hi there. Welcome to an even better Aurora. We've made some changes to the end-to-end workflow in Aurora, and it's now even faster and more intuitive than before. Let me take a few minutes to show you around. As you can see from the Overview Map landing page, customers and installations have now merged together into projects. You no longer view them as separate entities, but rather one project with a specific address and customer. As with before, to create a new project, simply click the Create Project button on the bottom right and enter the address and the customer name. If I click on Projects in the main navigation pane, I'm taken to a view of my existing projects. From here, I can also create a new project by using the Add Project button at the bottom. Just like before, I can set filters and search for existing projects using the search bar in the top right. Let's enter an existing project to see what's new and different. Clicking on a specific project starts me off in the Overview section, and here I can make some changes at the site level. Click the Edit Pen icon next to the Name field to change the name of the project. It defaults to the address of the site, but maybe you prefer to use something more descriptive. Notice that now there's a dedicated section within a project for customer information. If I click on the Customer section, I can edit the customer's contact information by adding things like a salutation, an email, and a phone number. The Load Profile section remains unchanged and can be edited at the site level just like before. Similarly, the Site section is also unchanged, and you can click on Map, 2D, and 3D just like before to draw your site and build your 3D model. Everything else you're used to seeing here on this page has now been rolled into Designs. Clicking on Designs allows me to create new designs and access existing ones as well. Let's go into a design and see what's different. I start out in the Layout section, just like before, where I can do my system layout and design. Note that I can click on the Settings area at the top left to edit the name of a specific design and also to adjust my max and min temperature parameters. 3D visualization hasn't changed. Click on it to view a 3D model of your site with your design. For those of you with engineering seats, components and line diagram also remain unchanged and can be accessed right here. Performance simulations have an improved interface, making it easier to adjust parameters, choose a master, and add or remove simulations. Click on the Settings button for a particular simulation to adjust losses and to edit system parameters and settings. Note that for the Aurora simulation, by default, our internal shading engine is selected for use, which makes the shading system loss not applicable. Also note that for both Aurora and PV Watts, if a system design contains all microinverters or DC power optimizers, the mismatch system loss is automatically set to 0%. If you want to change your master simulation used in financial calculations, simply click on the Make Master link to make that change. Also, you can delete a simulation from View using the Delete icon here, and you can add a new simulation to your design by clicking on the Add Simulation button here. As you can see, financings and proposals are now at the design level, and cost breakdown is just before financings. In the cost breakdown section, I can edit my price per watt here, and I can also switch to cost breakdown view if I prefer to see a line item makeup of my system cost. I can now seamlessly move into financings, and just as before, add a financing or view an existing one. Lastly, I can move into proposals and add a new proposal or also view existing ones. Thanks for your attention. This concludes our video. We hope that this new workflow in Aurora makes creating designs and proposals even simpler. Don't forget to email support@aurorasolar.com if you have any questions. Have a great day.